Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert video into Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to insert a video directly into Google Sheets, you've probably noticed something frustrating. You actually can't upload or embed videos directly the way you can in other tools. But don't worry, there's a smart workaround using Google Slides that lets you visually place a video inside your spreadsheet. This method is especially useful if you're creating dashboards, tutorials, or interactive sheets where you want to include video content. First, open Google Slides. Create a new blank presentation. Clarification: we're using Google Slides because it supports video embedding, unlike Google Sheets. Once your slide is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Video. A pop-up window will appear. Here you have two options: search for a video directly on YouTube or paste a YouTube link. Choose your preferred method, then select the video. Click Insert. The video will now appear on your slide. Now click on the video to select it. Right-click on it, then click Copy. Clarification: you're not copying the video file itself, you're copying the embedded video object that Slides created. Next, go to Google Sheets and open your spreadsheet. At the top menu, click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Drawing. A drawing canvas will open. Inside the drawing canvas, right-click and click Paste. The video you copied from Google Slides will now appear inside this drawing area. This works because Google Sheets allows embedded objects in drawings, even though it doesn't support videos directly. Once the video appears, click Save and Close. The drawing, with the video inside, will now be inserted into your Google Sheet. You can resize it, move it around the sheet. The video won't play directly inside the cell like a native embed. You may need to click it to interact or open it. This method is mainly for visual embedding and presentation purposes. Using Google Slides together with Google Sheets allows you to creatively include video content, even with platform limitations. To summarize, inserting a video into Google Sheets involves first adding the video in Google Slides, copying it, then pasting it into a drawing inside Google Sheets. This workaround allows you to display video content even though Sheets doesn't support it directly. And that's how to insert a video into Google Sheets using the Google Slides workaround. While it's not a direct feature, this method gives you a practical way to include video content in your spreadsheets where needed. The key here is understanding the limitations of each tool and using them together to get the result you want. As you get more comfortable with Google Workspace, you'll start finding more creative ways to combine tools like this to build more dynamic and useful projects. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.